welcome back to Simply Saffron by Pooja Seal, and I'm Pooja. And today's recipe is from China, the bao bun. Now the bao usually is like an enclosed, like a bun which has filling inside, but my recipe will be like a sandwich which you can hold in your hand like a taco and eat. And you can put any kind of filling, but the most common filling is the pork belly, but I'm not going to show you that. I'm using crispy chicken, gochujang, the Korean gochujang chicken. And this one, I'm not going to show you the crispy chicken recipe because it's the very easy one. You can use any kind of crispy chicken, but I'm going to show you the sauce which I'm going to toss it in, and especially I'm going to show you the bao bun recipe. So let me show you how. Now to start with the bao, we are taking 2/3 cup of warm water and 1 cup of warm milk, and to that we are going to add 8 tablespoons of sugar and about 4 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Then we are going to mix everything together till the sugar dissolves, and then we are adding about 2 tablespoons of active dry yeast. And we'll mix it and let it activate for 5 to 10 minutes. Now with the dry ingredients, we are taking 5 cups of all-purpose flour. We are adding about 1 teaspoonful of baking powder, and to that half a teaspoonful of salt. And then we are going to again mix everything together, and then I'll show you what to do next. So in a stand mixer, we are going to put the dry mixture, and then we are going to take the yeast mixture and add it to the dry mixture. Now you can do the same thing with the hand too. You don't need a stand mixture. We are just going to mix it and make an sticky and elastic dough. So this will run around 5 to 10 minutes. And here it is. The dough is almost formed. So if for checking whether it's done or not, so we are going to see press it with the finger to, if the dough bounce backs, then it's ready. If not, we can just knead it with the hand for a few more minutes. So I'm almost done kneading. So now we are going to put some coat oil on it, like a vegetable oil, and coat the dough with the oil. And then we are going to cover it with a plastic wrap and let it rest in a warm area for about 1 to 1.5 hours. Still the dough is doubled, so you can see here the dough is doubled. We are going to punch down the dough, and we'll sprinkle some flour, just a little bit, you don't need too much, otherwise you'll dry out the dough. So we are going to transfer the dough to the countertop, and then we are going to knead for a minute with the hands. Then we are going to divide it into 2 portions. Now this will make about like around 30 baos. You can just reduce it into half if you want half the size. So we'll take the dough, and we are going to make a small ball, and then we are going to roll it with a rolling pin and stretch it and make it like a rectangle, and this should about like be 1/4 inch thick. And then we are going to take a wine glass and cut into circles. You can use a cookie cutter too, and these circles are about 3 to 3.5 inch in diameter. So we'll take the extras out, and we can use it later. So we are going to take each of these rounds, and then we are going to transfer it to a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. First we are going to cut the circles, then we are going to roll them a little bit and fold it in half. So I'll show you how to do the next step. So once we're done with all the rounds, what we are going to do, we're going to spray a little bit and fold it into half, then keep it on the baking sheet just like that. So let me finish with all the rounds. Just roll it and then fold it in half. So once we are done with all of these, we'll let the baos rest for 30 minutes so that gets a little puffed up. Now let me show you the sauce that we are going to toss the chicken in. So this is a gochujang sauce. Now if you don't have gochujang sauce, you can add 2 tablespoons of hot sauce instead of the gochujang sauce. And then we are using hoisin sauce. We are going to add 1 tablespoon of hoisin sauce. And then soy sauce, we are going to take 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. And to that we are going to add about 2 teaspoonfuls of grated ginger and 1 teaspoonful of garlic powder or grated garlic. And then we are going to add honey. So I'm going to spraying the measuring cup so that the honey comes out. This is about 1/4 cup. The trick of oiling or spraying the measuring cups helps the honey to come out easily. So we are going to mix everything together and cook it till one boil, and then we'll use it for coating the gochujang chicken. Now with the next step, with the baos, these have been resting for 30 minutes. So we are going to steam this for 10 to 12 minutes. So here it is, the baos are cooked and you can see how soft and fluffy they are. They are pretty hard. Just see how spongy and fluffy they are, and you can fill it with any filling you want, and I'm going to fill it with the gochujang chicken. So I'm hoping and I'm sure that you're going to make this soft and fluffy bao bun very soon, and just fill it with any kind of filling you want, chicken, crab, the pork belly, anything you want. And I made with the gochujang chicken, as I said. Just toss the crispy chicken with the gochujang sauce and yeah, it's done. Enjoy. Please do subscribe, like and comment on my YouTube channel Simply Saffron by Pooja Seal. Don't forget to push the bell icon for notifications. Keep on watching and thanks for watching. Bye.